In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to compute for the area of a square. So using the formula A is equals to A squared. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to create an instance for our scanner, scanner class. Then let's try to call that one as obj. Scanner obj equals to scanner. Okay, then your system in. Okay, so we already have created our instance, our new instance. Then let's try to prompt our user system dot out dot print dot print. Okay, enter side of square. Okay, the next. Okay, this time we'll be asking the user to enter the value. Okay, let's try to first create a variable called double. Or let's try to create this as int. Okay, so side is equals to obj dot next int. Okay, then let's also try to create another variable int area is equals to side multiplied by itself, side. Okay, since we cannot actually create the power of 2, all we have to do is just multiply it by itself. Okay, then system.out.print ln area of square is area. Okay, now let's try this time by first compiling, or by first building. Okay, let's try to build it first. Okay, so there's no issue whatsoever. Let's try to run. Okay, so you have enter sides. Let's try to add, let's try to put 4. Okay, area of square is 16. Let's try to run it again. Let's say 5. Okay, that's the area of square. So that's how you would compute for the area of a square in Java.